Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2012 Ram 2500 Outdoorsman. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver. It looks great. You do have your bug deflector right there and your black accenting on your grille. You do also have your tow hooks right there and halogen headlights right there with your fog lights hanging out down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there. They look great. The tires still have lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right here with your running boards along the bottom. It also does come with a 6-foot box, and you do have the cover on it. It does have the Outdoorsman badging there. Open it up just like this. Lots of room in there as well. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting there. Handle here, some storage, and some more. Looks great in here. Seats are very comfortable. The cloth is very nice. You do have electric seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. You have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights if you press them in, and your in-cabin light control here, as well as your trailer options right here. Then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our tire KPA, vehicle info, messages. We can change our units. We just need to fill up a tire or two. We also have the system set up, and you can turn the menu off. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options up there. Horn in the center and your cruise control options. Got your gear shift right here, just like that. Then over in the radio we do have our seek options up here, Bluetooth, info, forward rewind, CD player with your eject and your time, volume up and down with the power, AM and FM, satellite, your disc and aux cord, your list, music type and setup, presets down here, and your selector over there with your aux cord plug-in, tow and haul mode, traction control, hazard lights, outlet, and then you also have your tire light road inflation there. Then you also down here have your power up and down for your climate control with the circulation, heat and cold. You also have right there your where it's going to blow out of. And then down here you do have this guy, which is your cup holders. And then right there we do have some storage. In the center of your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Then you do also have another seat underneath there with a little secret storage compartment just there. There's a little handle here. Over here we do have our 2 glove boxes. So we got our top layer and our bottom layer right there. Lots of room in there. And then up top you do have the control of the little window in the back and some lights. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. Control over your windows, handle here, storage, and some more down there. Looks fantastic in here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You do also have this guy that folds down if you don't need the purse in the middle. Then you do have some cup holders and armrest. It does seat 6 people all together, which is very nice. Lift this up, you have some storage just underneath here. Just fold that up like that. And then underneath the floor mats, we do also have some additional storage. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2012 Ram 2500 Outdoorsman. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George. Talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.